Hey guys, my YouTubers out there again. It's a Kev Adventurous Food Journey Show, and you're tuned to another adventurous meal journey. Okay, so let me show you what we'll be doing today on the Kev Adventurous Food Journey Show. This is another Jamaican delicacy. Look at it. You know what that is? And it's some pretty ones also. That is the Jamaican chicken back. So today guys, guess what? We'll be doing up our real authentic Jamaican type of chicken back. You understand? They have one nickname for this name, island bone. That this part is the back of the chicken. You know? When they take off the leg, cut off the breast. So when you get chicken parts, they get everywhere else except this, and then they sell this as is. Okay guys, so we'll be doing up that curry, the real Jamaican curry chicken back, and we'll be serving that with some white rice. So please just stick and stay. You're tuned to Kev Adventurous Food Journey on YouTube, and I'll be doing the real Jamaican chicken back, curry chicken back today. So soon come. Okay guys, so we have our chicken back here, and we have our Cos vinegar, our Cos white vinegar. Okay, so first thing, throw that back off. We already washed, but we're going to wash again now with our vinegar. Okay guys, and we run some water over that. Rinse out this, and then we run some water. If you have the type of top that I have, you can just do that to make sure say, you know, the thing started up. I have to wash the chicken back nice and good now. Okay guys, and then you throw at least 1-2 cork of your Cos vinegar all over your meat. Okay, and then you rub that up, and then you run your water over it. You rub it up, bam, see, and then bam, and then you press, and you just make that one deal with the meat, okay? Nice, pretty chicken back. Jamaican. See, you cut it up in cut size like this. I have already cleaned, and now I'm washing the chicken back for the curry chicken back meal. Alright guys, nice little bite sizes. Some people chop it up finer than that. Soon come. Okay guys, so see me and my Irish them. So I cut up all of my ingredients that is going to be going on my curry chicken back. Okay, so you have your Irish, you peel Irish. Okay, so you cut up your Irish. Put it down flat, deal with the thing, chop. Simple, okay, see? Okay guys, so see your Irish chopped up, wash and all of that. And you just put that over there, so. Have your scallion guys, same thing. You just chop up the scallion, not too fine. So you chop scallion, and then you do the same with your onion guys. So you can either give it rings, or you can cut it like this, bam, bam. Okay, sometimes that will happen, you don't worry about that. And then you just cut it up guys, cut it up, see? So you can eat your onions, you understand, see? That's it. You put it over there with the scallion, and then you pepper it. Okay guys, so you just chop off a few slices. Slice it up guys. And then you chop it up. It's nice little bite size. So you can find it when you're done guys. See? Same thing with the red guys. Pop it in too, and you flip it over. Pop it again. You pop this again. See? You bring them together. Even them up. Bam. Okay. Bam. And bam. Okay guys, so see you have your chopped up sweet pepper. You have your chopped Irish potato. You have your chopped scallion with the pepper in it, and you time this, and you have a little mixed vegetable, see, with the carrot and stuff. Okay, so I'll be putting a little bit more because I need more carrot on mine. Curry chicken back. So remember, you're still tuned to Kev Adventurous Food Journey, and what are we cooking today? Curry chicken back. See it there? Draining and just getting ready to be seasoned nice. Okay, soon come. Okay guys, let's see, we start with our these are all our blended season. We don't have to use a spoon to the chicken back in, so we want our chicken back nice. So just put on a big tablespoon of this pan. And then we put our curry, you know, the main ingredient. A little meat season also. Yeah man, fruit we think of it's nice, you know. I talk about chicken back, you know. Okay guys. And then a little chili spice guy, around half teaspoon. Notice you see me put no salt. No, that's the last thing you tip in if you want it. Half teaspoon like that. So you all put your curry. Guys, you put your meat season, so half teaspoon of that also, and half teaspoon of that. But with the curry now, you put a tablespoon of that because that's the main ingredient. You want your thing for rich and nice. And then remember, as I told you before, in my curry, I also put a little browning. So just a little too. Moon is a measurement, just something because you don't want it too dark. Okay? Yeah. And then you put one of the main crazy things, which is your scotch bonnet pepper. I already cut up some in the season, so I'm cutting off the rest in my curry chicken, guys. Okay, and with all of that now, guys, you rub in your meat well drained, you know. Remember, I was in the drain pan for a while. I will rub that in. Okay, guys, so you know, so my curry, me put in a clean of my oil to burn it. You know that already. And you know, so when I cook certain Jamaican authentic thing, you know, so I have to send for who this? Harmony. Alright, guys, this is the Dutch pot that harmonizes anything, you know. All conflict gets settled in this Dutch pot. So remember, you're still tuned to the Kev Adventurous Food Journey, and we'll make that go and burn a little. And then as usual, I drop my piece of scotch bonnet in it. Poof! I'll make that go and get hot. Soon come. Okay, so harmonize that curry in that oil and I fry that pepper nice. Okay guys, and then we go, you know my style already. Same, next patient, same treatment. Okay, so that's your chicken back going into the oil, guys. See that? That's your Jamaican chicken back going into your Dutch pot. Real old authentic way of doing it. See that? Yes, guys. Yeah, man. And this will spring a lot of oil, you know, even though we cut off some of the fat and stuff. Okay, guys, so when you put in that now, when you stir it right up, you just make that go and simmer. You cover it like that, and you leave that for about 5 minutes and make it go and sweat and leak out all the juices from the chicken back. And then you stir and you're on your way. Okay? We soon come. Okay guys, so we're looking in back on our curry chicken back. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Yeah, give them a good shot, a good way for that. Okay. Give them a close-up shot. So now turn it now, guys, just like me tell you, see there. Watch out. See all of the juices them are come out? Look there. See that? Wow. So you just spin it over like this, and then you make that go and cook. Make that go and soak. And that's something take long for cooking the pasta. Remember, see a chicken same way. So you gotta just know what you're doing, okay? So that's the curry chicken back on its way. Okay guys, so we're checking in back on our curry chicken back again. Wow. Beautiful. 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 It's coming on nice. See that, guys? Want a close shot? Take a close shot. Wow. Soon come. Okay guys, so while we are there, we have on our chicken back. You know we have to have a little vegetable on the side, you know. You understand? So I'm going to do some shredded vegetables, so carrot and your cabbage together, you know, Jamaican style, because we are still Jamaica right now, okay? So we're doing a little vegetable salad, raw vegetable salad on the side, guys. So see, cut the cabbage in two and you start from there. Soon come. Cut this thing again, guys, and then you start with the shredding. So the shredding is typically easy. You can either shred it through that, or I like to use my knife like this because I kind of like mine fine. So you see it, guys? See that? See that? I like it fine. Okay? Yeah. See that, guys? So I'm just doing this up for a couple persons, not a lot. So this is the amount of mess. See that? Shredded cabbage. I'm gonna shred up my carrot and make it see. Okay guys, so you know, wash me great enough. And you can use this one or the iron one, any one of them work for you. And this mainly I go drop out underneath here. So, you know, shred up your carrot. Okay guys, see that? Just like that. And you're done. And you just half these together now, guys. Okay guys, so we're checking in back on our curry. Chicken back, jam down style. You see that? Dig up under that and stir that over. And make sure, so you see, the juices. So you have to clean up your chicken back good, so that you don't have a bag of oil. So this is a Jamaican delicacy. Trust me guys, as simple as it sounds, it's a delicacy here. Okay? Yeah man, so it's coming on nicely. As soon time for throwing the thing them, because you know say a chicken same right now take long. Okay? So it's soon ready. You're ready for throwing the season. Soon come. Okay guys, let's see what your vegetable look like here. Okay. So see it there? Something similar like coleslaw, but not quite there. So see, this is lovely. Look at it guys. Close up shot camera. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so that will be serving on the side. So let me give you a little rundown of the ingredients. Use your mayonnaise, a little drizzle, some vinegar, around this spoonful of sugar. Okay guys, and a little some bits of onion, and you rub that all up until you get it to look like this. Look in the bottom, see? Okay guys, see? Right, so trust me, this is a beautiful salad to go with what I'm cooking. So it's the Kev Adventurous food journey you're on, and this will be serving with our curry chicken back and white rice today. So stick and stay, soon come. Okay guys, so if you notice I put it in this type of container, you want it to get cold real fast. By the time food ready, your salad will be ready. Okay? Yeah man. So it's kinda near to coleslaw, but not all the ingredients. This is a lovely salad to eat with your curry chicken back and white rice on the side. Okay guys, so remember, you put it in a little aluminum pan like this in order for it to cool real fast and lock it up. Okay guys, so see that? Wow, nice. It's already cooked now, so the thing left over do now I cook with seasoning. See that guys? It's a curry chicken back. So we're gonna cook down our Irish potato and our carrots on that. With the juice that I have been soaking in. Okay guys? Stick and stay. Okay, so you see, we're done putting all of that now, throwing all our juice, and we're gonna just lock that up and make these go and cook. Your Irish and your carrot go and cook. Done. Okay? Soon come. Okay guys, so see that a bubble now. Irish them will cook up nicely. Woo! Take a close shot at that. That's your curry chicken back on the fire, bubbling on the Kev Adventurous Food Journey on YouTube, guys. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe to the thing to see some of them authentic Jamaican meals here. So this is the curry chicken back. This is a yardman thing. Any real true Jamaican that tells me that they don't know about this meal or them never eat it yet, no man, something wrong with you. Everybody eat chicken and this is the back of the chicken. So we could go and do it now. Soon come. Okay guys, you see that? Woo! Put that over there so we know so we Irish then. Cook on with carrot now. See that guys? Look at that. Look at that guys. We dig them up, we dig them up, we dig them up. So in that now we'll put in, or remember we dice up with scallion now with onion and pepper. So we drop in some of that now guys. And then something there now if you cook them like them are some cow foot. You know, if you cook scallion. You understand guys? And then you do the same with your bell pepper, otherwise called sweet pepper, and your mixed vegetable. See that? Look at that guys. Look at that. See that? And look at the gravy already guys. You see that? Yeah man, real Jamaican style curry chicken back. You drop in a piece at a time. Or two. You see that? Look at that guys there, just load that, make that one stew down. So you will see the finished plate of product. So remember that's the curry chicken back Jamaican style, jam down style, yard style with white rice. And let me show you guys my white rice here. Yeah man, ready long time. Ready long time guys. So we'll soon show you how it look in the plate when I share yours for you to enjoy. That's the curry chicken back yard style. Okay guys, yard style. So please enjoy. It's a Kev Adventurous Food Journey. Okay my YouTubers, so see here the finished product of the Jamaican delicacy. And what is that again? What did I cook a while ago? It's the Jamaican curry chicken back, the real authentic way. So you have the video there now. So for all of the people that ask me about it, me ghetto people and me inner city people see they done cuisine style. Look at that. A chicken back that, you know guys, that's not caviar, that's not steak, that's not chicken. The whole chicken, that's the back of the chicken done curry style with your little salad on the side, you know. We may have my little vegetable, carrot and cabbage, little salad with all of my dressing and all of that guys. So remember, it's the Kev Adventurous Food Journey on YouTube, and I'll keep these adventurous meals coming. So guess what I don't want to do? I don't want to leave and get up and look at see me share phone one going there. So please enjoy. Okay guys, and for my overseas peeps, this is one of the things that we here in Jamaica enjoy when it is done properly. Okay? It's a curry, chicken back and white rice meal on the Kev Adventurous Food Journey. So guess what guys? Remember, love each other, stick together in a time like this and even other times, and we will make it show. It's a Kev Adventurous Food Journey, and I've just finished preparing the chicken back and white rice. Enjoy and bye.